If you see a person who is not responsive and not breathing normally or gasping, this person needs CPR. As long as it is safe for you to approach the victim, do so. Tap the child and shout to see if they respond.
Are you okay?
Have someone call emergency services and get an AED. If you're alone, do 2 minutes of CPR, then call emergency services, get an AED, and return to the victim to continue CPR. The basic steps for giving CPR to an unresponsive child victim are doing compressions and giving breaths. To begin, kneel by the child's side. Make sure the child is on their back on a flat, hard surface. Do a visual check for normal breathing. Quickly remove any clothing that might be in the way. Place the heel of one hand only in the center of the child's chest, between the nipples. Keep your eyes up, elbow locked, and knees apart. Push the chest down firmly at least a third to half the depth of the chest. Between each compression, allow the chest to return to its normal position. Give 30 hard and fast compressions, followed by 2 breaths. Giving good breaths is very important with children. To give breaths, place one hand on the victim's forehead and push back. With your other hand, lift the bony part of the victim's chin to open the mouth. Give 2 breaths. Immediately resume doing compressions. Continue giving 30 compressions followed by 2 breaths either until the child starts moving or breathing or until trained help takes over.